Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix iCloud email not receiving email. So let's start. First you have to click on your iCloud ID, and then when you click here, just select iCloud. Here on iCloud, select iCloud Mail, and then you have to click here on use on this phone. Just activate it, and you have to create a one if you don't have it. Okay, now if you have activated this back, then scroll down and let's go to mail. Here on mail you have to select accounts, and you have to select cloud account or fetch new data. Just click here and you have to activate it too. So if this says activate, you have to activate again. Okay, and then you have to add an account. If your iCloud is not there, just add the account, select iCloud and add your iCloud account here. So guys, that's how it works. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video if this helps to you. Thank you for watching.